Hi folks, welcome to 31st video of the series. Today I am going to explain you about the type conversion in Python. Here I defined a value 5 to the x variable. Then I am printing the type of x. Here we got the output as integer, but here S1 we defined 1 2 3 inside single inverted comma. That's why we got the output as string. Next I'm printing that type of S1, it given as string. Then I'm trying to add string of x plus S1. If I try to add only x plus S1, we can't add that because S1 is a string and x is the integer value. That's why we can't add. So here I am adding the string of x and S1 string. That's why we got the output as 5 1 2 3. So when we add this string, we will get the value as concatenated. So in next line, in the last line, x plus integer of S1. So here it will add to the value 123, it will add value 5. So 123 plus 5 is equal to 128. So we got the output as 128. So when you are adding something, you should add to same data type. I can't add string to int, then we will get different output. So you should add to same data type. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.